In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download and install Google Chrome on your Windows PC using a simple method. I'll also show you how to sign in and set Chrome as your default browser. Let's dive in. Every Windows computer already has a pre-installed default browser. In Windows 10 and 11, it's Microsoft Edge. And in Windows 7 or 8, it's usually Internet Explorer. Open your default browser and in the search bar, type Google Chrome Download. Open the official Google Chrome website that appears. Click Download Chrome. The download will begin automatically. If it doesn't start, click Download Chrome manually. Choose the location where you want to save the installer, or it will automatically download to your Windows Downloads folder. Since I already have Chrome installed on my PC, I'll install it inside Windows Sandbox, a disposable virtual machine that works like a mini Windows. Open the downloaded.exe file. The setup will take a few minutes. It will automatically install Chrome on your PC, and once done, a Chrome shortcut will appear on your desktop. To sign in, open Chrome, click the profile icon beside the three dots, and select Sign in to Chrome. Here, enter your Google email and password, and verify it if prompted. If you want to set Chrome as your default browser, go to Settings, search Default Apps, click Default Apps, select Google Chrome, and set as default. Now every link you open will launch directly in Chrome. That's it! Your computer is now running Google Chrome, one of the fastest and most secure browsers on the planet. If this video helped you, don't forget to drop a like and share your results in the comments. For more smart tech guides like this, subscribe to Teroz. Stay sharp, stay upgraded. Teroz.